How to make a Shopify store in 30 minutes. To make a Shopify store in 30 minutes, start by signing up for a free Shopify trial and entering your store name, email, and password. Once you're in, choose a clean and professional theme from the Shopify theme store. You can customize the look of your store quickly by adding your logo, changing colors, and updating banners to match your brand style. Next, add your products by uploading images, writing short but engaging descriptions, setting prices, and managing inventory. Organize products into collections like bestsellers or new arrivals for easy navigation. Make sure to set up payment methods through Shopify Payments to start accepting credit cards and digital wallets instantly. Then, set up your shipping options and review tax settings so everything runs smoothly. Add essential pages such as About Us, Contact, and Refund Policy. Finally, preview your store to ensure it looks great on mobile and desktop, then click Launch Store to go live. You can start using Shopify for free right now by clicking the link in description. It gives you instant access to quick setup tools, customizable templates, and integrated payment features that help you launch your online store in minutes.